everyone, I am Raffasya from P6 Elon Musk. Today I'm gonna tell you the story of the mouse deer and the crocodile.
Action.
One hot sunny day in a jungle, a small mouse deer was walking around for food. Hey! When he reached the river, he saw plenty of fish on the other side of the river. Ooh, yummy! However, he knew that the river was full of hungry crocodiles that might be waiting underwater to eat him. An idea came to his mind when he saw a floating log on the river. Hey, crocodile! The small mouse deer called out. A crocodile surfaced from underwater. Hello, mouse deer. Do you come here to be my lunch? Asked the crocodile. I'm ready to be your lunch on one condition, said the mouse deer. Okay, tell me, what is it? Asked the crocodile. You have to share my flesh evenly with all your friends here, crocodile. I need you to gather them so I can count them all, replied the mouse deer. Then the crocodile called all his friends together. Come here. After the crocodile got all his friends together, the mouse deer ordered them to do what he said. Attention all crocodiles, I need you to float in a river from here to the other side of the river. Okay. In a moment, the crocodiles arranged themselves in a row to cross the river. The mouse deer then jumped onto the crocodile's back. One, he counted. He jumped onto the next crocodile's back and yelled, two. And then the next crocodile, 3, 4, 9, 10. 9, 10. He counted until he reached the other side of the river. How many of us are there, mouse deer? Asked the crocodile. Well, I don't think that my flesh will be enough for you all, so I wish you to get a larger prey next time. Thanks for helping me to cross the river. Bye, said the mouse deer as he ran quickly to the jungle. The end. So that is the story of the mouse deer and the crocodile. See you later.